WhatsApp is an integral part of our lives, whether we like it or whether we don't. But the problem arises when something that we're so dependent upon is not totally hack proof and our security and privacy is on the line. A recent flaw in the WhatsApp system has essentially surfaced, and basically what one can do with this flaw is that even if someone knows just your phone number, they can actually suspend your account off WhatsApp. It is that serious. We're going to talk to you about what you can do to safeguard yourself from this flaw. So without getting into too much detail about how an account can be suspended on WhatsApp, I'll just give you a glimpse about how it is done. So essentially, an attacker or anybody who knows your phone number, what they'll try to do is they'll download the WhatsApp app from App Store or the Play Store, and after that they will try and use your number to log into WhatsApp. Now usually when you log into WhatsApp using anyone's phone number, an OTP is sent on that phone number. An OTP is sent in the form of an SMS. So obviously the person has your phone number but they don't have your phone. So the person to whom that number actually belongs will see SMS requests with OTPs coming in one after the other. The attacker on the other hand will continuously try to keep logging in. When they keep doing it over and over and over again, after a point WhatsApp will inform the attacker that there have been too many failed attempts to log into this phone number's WhatsApp account and the account has been suspended. But it has been suspended for both the attacker as well as the rightful user of that account. So this is what is happening. Now the scariest part about this is that you don't need to be a highly trained or qualified cyber crime expert. It can be anyone who can just use this system, this flaw in the WhatsApp system, to actually get anyone's account suspended. Okay, so now basically what I'm going to tell you is what you can do, what settings you can change to ensure that you do not fall prey to such attempts. So what you need to do is, you can do it with me as I'm explaining it to you. What you need to do is go to your WhatsApp and on the bottom right you will find settings. So head to settings. When you're on settings, over here you'll find account. Press on account. Over here you'll find a lot of options: privacy, security, two-step verification, change number, request account info, and delete my account. So you need to head to two-step verification. Over here you'll find an option giving you the ability to add a PIN to your WhatsApp account. So you need to enable this and then it will ask you for your PIN that you need to set. So it will ask you to confirm the PIN once again. You may do that. And then after that it will ask you for your email as well. This is an important point. You must add an email, because once your phone number has been compromised, your email is something that you can definitely access. Even if your account is suspended or if any sort of problem is coming on your account. So here is when you put your email account and it will ask you to confirm that again. So two-step verification has been done. You have the option of changing your PIN at any point. You have the option of changing your email address at any point. And once both these things are done, after this, if ever there is a problem with your WhatsApp account, you can always reach out to WhatsApp using your rightful email address which you have linked to your WhatsApp account. So anybody with just your phone number will now not be able to suspend your WhatsApp account. They will also need the password to your email address which you have associated and linked with your WhatsApp account.